Welcome! If you want to make the most out of your Gmail app by adding the Chat and Spaces tabs, you're in the right place. These features let you send quick messages, collaborate with teams, and stay connected, all without ever leaving Gmail. Let's walk through the updated steps to enable Chat and Spaces tabs on your Gmail app. First, open the Gmail app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want to activate these features. Next, look for the menu icon. It's the three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger icon, in the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it to open the side menu. Now, scroll down through the menu until you find Settings. Tap on Settings to see a list of all the email accounts you've added to your Gmail app. From here, select the specific email account where you want to show the Chat and Spaces tabs. Just tap on your email address to open its settings. Once you're in your account settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Chat. Here, you'll see an option called Show the Chat and Spaces tabs. There should be a checkbox right next to it. Check the box to enable the Chat and Spaces tabs. That's it. The changes will take effect immediately. Now go back to your Gmail home screen. You'll notice two new tabs at the bottom, Chat and Spaces. The Chat tab lets you send direct messages to your contacts, while the Spaces tab is perfect for group conversations and team collaboration. With these tabs enabled, you can easily switch between your emails, direct messages, and group spaces, all in one place. This makes Gmail a true productivity hub, letting you communicate and organize without juggling multiple apps. If you ever want to turn off these tabs, just follow the same steps and uncheck the box. But once you start using Chat and Spaces, you might find it hard to go back. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your streamlined Gmail experience with Chat and Spaces.